I'm Fred with Fred's Auto Repair, and I got a motorcycle today. So come check it out. Here she is. Now, I'm sure this one exactly what you're picturing. It's got a little two-stroke motor on there. But somebody probably ordered to stay off Facebook Marketplace. But anyways, it's got some bad gas in it, so I'm going to drain this out. We should be ready to go. Okay, there we go. Got the old premix out of there. I don't think it's brown color, but I think that's just the oil, but it smells really bad, and it doesn't like run real well. It runs, but it doesn't run real well. So I've got some more premix going in it. So let's see if this fixes it. Okay, got some new fuel in it, and it runs amazing now. But this is the strangest little booger to crank. Okay? You'd think with this thing being two-stroke, like some of the mopeds you'd pedal backwards or whatever, and it'd crank it. Spin the motor over and it'd crank it. This one, you get it pedaling. You've got a clutch up here. So you reach up here and you dump your clutch, and it basically rolls it off. But anyway, so I'll show you here. Anyways, well, I appreciate you joining me for this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe.